Welcome to Cedar Creek Motorsports. Come on in and have a look around.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Steve with Cedar Creek Motorsports, and over the past 2 years we really haven't had an opportunity to introduce you to the new shop. So Cedar Creek Motorsports is hosting an open house this coming October 29th, where we will be having some great promotions on sleds, ATVs, gear, and of course we'll have a grand prize giveaway and a food truck.
Wait a second, did you say free food and a grand prize giveaway?
Yes, I did, Ian. Juniors Eats will be slinging up some of his delicious savory food, and Cedar Creek Motorsports will be giving away a $300 gift card. Of course, in the parts, accessories, and gear department, we have great deals on watercraft, motorcycle, and of course, snowmobile gear. And don't forget to check out our ski-doos. We got 600s, 900s, and of course, 850s. And don't forget to check out our sweet deals on our CF Moto, Polaris, Can-Am ATVs, and of course, those plow packages. Hey guys, thanks for stopping in today, and don't forget, this October 29th, come check out our open house.